After completing this lesson, you'll be able to create extruded features with offset origins and mirror features of the model. For this lesson, we'll begin by using the New Design from File tool to open the F1 car wing sketch model. This model has a new component called front wing already in place. We'll activate it, then take a closer look at what we're working with. The model already has some 3D geometry developed and a sketch. This sketch has two profiles for wings and a plate outline for the end of the wings. We'll use this sketch to develop the foil portions of the front wing. We'll start by using the Extrude tool and selecting all of the profiles. Then using the offset plane, we'll set the offset plane to 30 millimeters. Then create a thickness of 1 millimeter. This will turn our sketch off as it's been consumed by a feature. We can go to the Sketches folder and turn the wing profile back on. We'll do the same operation, selecting all of the profiles, using the offset plane again, this time with an offset of 9 millimeters and a distance of 1. This time, because we've already turned the wing profile sketch on manually, it will remain on. Now we can extrude again, this time selecting the top airfoil, and start extruding it through the bodies until we reach the face of the outermost upright. Then change the operation to join. Start the Extrude tool again and select the lower foil profile. This time, set the start plane as From Object. Select the inside of the first upright. From there, you can extrude the profile out 21 millimeters, making sure you change it to join. Now we have half of our foil, but it's unsupported. Start the Extrude tool again and select the sketch that's on the face of the wheel support upright. We'll extrude it out a distance and change the extent to To Object, selecting the foil. Click OK, and it will generate that model. Now we can turn the wing profile sketch off and place a few fillets on the model. I'll start the Press Pull tool. Select the top two short edges on the upright portion of the wing and drag a radius of 4 millimeters. This will round out the top of the upright section. Then using Press Pull again, grab the edge of the wing support in the upright, start dragging it out. Also, you'll want to grab the bottom edge and set the radius to 18 to smooth out the transition. Now circling below and using Press Pull, add a fillet to the leading edge of 1 millimeter. Then we'll apply a fillet to all the upright edges that we just created at 0.5 millimeters. With half of the wing design complete, let's go ahead and mirror it and then combine it together to make a single body out of the entire component. Going to the Create pull down, select the Mirror tool. We'll set the pattern type to Bodies, select the front wing, and then set the mid plane as the mirror plane. When we click OK, we'll have two bodies that make up the two halves of the wing. To bring them together, we'll go to Combine under the Modify pull down. We'll be doing a lot of this in upcoming exercises, but for now, it's best to just complete the wing design. With that done, let's activate the top level of the assembly, and we can save it to a new file in our project or continue to use it for the next lesson.